Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 13 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the quicker way of checking the serial number, and then I'll show you another way. So let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see right here, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And as I said, let me show you the longer way, which will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings, and then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Tablet. Right here we have to, because we cannot tap on model here, we have to scroll down to find status information. And right here we have to find the serial number. As you can see, you have to scroll down. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.